Hi there, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a tune-up on a lawnmower. That's a Troy-Bilt TB110 Briggs & Stratton 550EX 140 a CC engine. I'm going to be replacing the air filter and the spark plug. I'm already getting the spark plug undone right now. I do recommend that you use the spark plug tool, the one that has like a little thing right in the socket here. Unfortunately, that's in my other tool bag. Actually, it's in my dad's tool bag that's in the house at the moment. I'm too lazy to get it. So you do not want to over tighten this or anything like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at the spark plug. See what it looks like. Yeah, that's foul. Look at that, that's so nasty. I was replacing the filter, which is also nasty as hell. Bag here. Get the air filter out. This is actually so easy, even a caveman can do it. So it doesn't matter which way the air filter goes, as long as it's pointing. Yeah, because they're both the same size anyway. As long as it's pointing the correct way. Okay, the air filter is installed. Now let's do the spark plug. Don't know what the hell happened there, but anyways, let's go ahead and compare the old spark plug with the new one. Make sure it's the right gap. Looks like it is. Let's go ahead and put the old one back on the ground there. Tighten this. Don't cross thread. Most important thing about installing things, make sure it's flush and do things right. Now this is a no choke, no prime lawnmower. Anyway, set the socket to tidy. Damn, the spark plug thing's a little bit bigger than that one. It's a good thing I have like different size sockets I have in my hands here. I think this is 21. Yeah, damn it. Well, let's see if I have one in my car. Alright, I can't seem to find a 21mm socket. I don't know why they chose a bigger one. Just make sure that the thread size is right. Yeah, it looks correct. Yeah. I see it. As if it can screw in here, it should be fine, right? Especially had. Damn it. 21mm socket. I use my impact wrench, but I don't want to use that, so. And no, do not use an impact wrench on spark plugs. I'll go ahead and try that again with the 19mm. that was the size before. Yeah. I have to get my other socket out. Okay, I was able to get my 21mm. I had to go to my basement to get the impact socket. And I'm using my torque wrench to tighten it because I have no idea where my half inch socket thing is it, and I'm just gonna need 2 hands for tighten this damn thing. Okay, now that that's done, let's go ahead and put this filter cover back on here. See what this thing can do now. First, let me put my tools away. I'll dispose of these properly. And let's go ahead and check and see if it starts. Hopefully it starts. But sometimes this tends to bring the crap sometimes. After a second pull it starts. So this thing is ready to go. And of course I ain't cutting the lawn right now because it's short already. So in the garage it goes. And that's how you do a tune-up on a lawnmower.